Have you ever wondered what secrets the moon holds in its silent, barren landscapes? An orb of mystery hanging in our night sky, the moon has been the subject of human fascination for centuries. Our curiosity has driven us to probe its depths, to venture into the unknown. These silent plains and craters, they whisper tales of cosmic history, tales we yearn to decipher. The allure of the moon is not just its beauty, it's the secrets it holds. One such mission that aimed to unravel these mysteries was India's Chandrayaan-3. In the early hours of a crisp morning, Chandrayaan-3 embarked on its journey to the moon. This historic event, which took place at the Satish Dhawan Space Center, was a testament to the tireless efforts of the Indian Space Research Organization. The mission's objective was clear: to further our understanding of the moon, particularly its south polar region. The launch of Chandrayaan-3 was not just a momentous occasion for India, but for the entire world. This mission represented a giant leap forward in space exploration, and the anticipation was palpable. As the countdown clock ticked down, the excitement in the control room and among those watching worldwide surged. Amid the thunderous applause, the rocket soared into the sky, leaving behind a trail of smoke. With the successful launch, Chandrayaan-3 set off on its voyage, carrying the hopes and dreams of countless individuals. The journey to the moon had begun, and with it a new chapter in the annals of space exploration. As Chandrayaan-3 hurtled through the vast emptiness of space, it was on a mission of discovery. The journey of Chandrayaan-3 from Earth to the moon was a testament to human innovation and determination. It began with the fiery roar of engines as the spacecraft was launched into the sky, breaking free from Earth's gravitational pull. A momentous occasion, marking the beginning of an ambitious voyage. The journey was far from simple. Chandrayaan-3 had to traverse a path of about 385,000 kilometers, a distance so vast it takes light just over a second to travel. The spacecraft was guided on this path by a complex system of navigation and control, which ensured that it stayed on course, despite the myriad challenges presented by the harsh environment of space. As it traveled, Chandrayaan-3 had to withstand the extreme temperatures of space, which can fluctuate between blistering heat and freezing cold in a matter of moments. It had to navigate through the Van Allen radiation belts, regions of high-energy particles held in place by Earth's magnetic field that can potentially damage electronic systems. Once it broke free from Earth's sphere of influence, Chandrayaan-3 was in the domain of the moon's gravity. This transition was a critical phase of the journey, requiring precise calculations and adjustments to ensure the spacecraft was captured by the moon's gravity and didn't simply fly past its target. The final challenge was slowing down enough to be captured by the moon's gravity. This delicate maneuver, known as lunar orbit insertion, was a crucial moment in the mission. Too fast, and Chandrayaan-3 would have been flung back into space. Too slow, and it would have crashed into the lunar surface. But Chandrayaan-3 was up to the task. Each stage of the journey was meticulously planned and executed, with the spacecraft overcoming each challenge it faced with aplomb. After a long and arduous journey, Chandrayaan-3 finally reached its destination, the moon. The moment of truth arrived as Chandrayaan-3 prepared to land on the moon's surface. The journey to the moon, though vast and filled with unknowns, had been completed. Now, the real challenge was about to begin: the landing. This was a delicate process, and perhaps the most critical phase of the mission. A single miscalculation could result in failure. The spacecraft began its descent towards the moon's surface, with millions of eyes watching from Earth and countless hearts beating in anticipation. The moon's gravitational pull, much weaker than Earth's, had to be precisely accounted for to ensure a safe landing. The lunar lander, carrying the rover, separated from the orbiter and initiated a series of complex maneuvers. The descent was slow and calculated, the lander using its onboard propulsion system to control its speed and trajectory. The tension was palpable, not just among the scientists at the Indian Space Research Organization, but across the globe. The world held its breath as Chandrayaan-3 continued its descent. Then, the moment everyone had been waiting for: touchdown. Chandrayaan-3 had successfully landed on the moon's surface. The relief that washed over the control room was immense and echoed around the world. The mission was far from over, but this was a significant milestone, a testament to human ingenuity and the power of science. Despite the moon's familiar presence in our night sky, it remains a world of mystery. But with Chandrayaan-3's successful landing, we were one step closer to unraveling those mysteries. The lunar lander and the rover it carried were now ready to embark on their mission, to explore the moon's surface, to study its composition, and to search for signs of water. The landing of Chandrayaan-3 was not just a feat of engineering and science. It was a symbol of hope, a demonstration of what we as a species can achieve when we dare to dream and work towards those dreams. With its safe landing, Chandrayaan-3 was ready to begin its exploration of the moon. As Chandrayaan-3 began its exploration, it made discoveries that were nothing short of extraordinary. On its journey across the moon's surface, Chandrayaan-3 collected an unprecedented amount of data, painting a vivid picture of our celestial neighbor. Key among these findings was the confirmation of water ice in the permanently shadowed regions of the moon's poles. This discovery was monumental, reshaping our understanding of the moon and instigating a new fervor for lunar exploration. To find this elusive water ice, Chandrayaan-3 used a highly sensitive spectrometer. It detected the unique way that water molecules absorb and reflect sunlight, a signature that was clearly observed in the moon's polar craters. These findings supported the long-held theory that water exists on the moon. But more importantly, they revealed that this water is accessible and could potentially be used by future astronauts for hydration, or even as a raw material for rocket fuel. But the revelations didn't stop there. Chandrayaan-3 also studied the moon's geological composition in unprecedented detail. Using a suite of advanced instruments, it analyzed lunar rocks and soil, discovering a rich tapestry of elements. Among these were traces of helium-3, a non-radioactive isotope that is extremely rare on Earth. In the future, this could potentially be used as a clean and efficient source of energy. The orbiter also detected minerals like magnesium and iron, which shed light on the moon's volcanic past. These discoveries have given scientists a deeper understanding of the moon's history and evolution, and they've provided clues about the processes that have shaped other rocky bodies in our solar system. But perhaps the most intriguing discovery was a series of unexplained magnetic anomalies scattered across the moon's surface. These anomalies, which cause compasses to go haywire, suggest that the moon's magnetic field is far more complex and dynamic than we previously thought. This unexpected discovery has sparked a flurry of scientific debate and opened up a whole new area of lunar research. These discoveries not only shed light on the moon's mysteries, but also opened up new possibilities for future exploration. As we continue to probe the depths of space, missions like Chandrayaan-3 remind us that even our closest celestial neighbor still holds many secrets waiting to be discovered. The moon, it seems, is not just a silent guardian in our night sky, but a dynamic world filled with untold stories and unexplored frontiers. As Chandrayaan-3's mission drew to a close, it left behind a legacy of groundbreaking discoveries and technological achievement. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, Chandrayaan-3 etched its name in the annals of space exploration. Its journey, from the launch pad to the lunar surface, was one of sheer determination and indomitable spirit. This mission, a testament to the prowess of Indian Space Research Organization, reflected the triumph of human ingenuity over the challenges of cosmic exploration. Chandrayaan-3's primary objective was to deepen our understanding of the moon, and to say it succeeded would be an understatement. It unveiled a lunar world rich in complexity and diversity, shedding light on the moon's geological history and its potential to harbor life. The mission's discoveries have significantly enriched our understanding of the moon, challenging pre-existing theories and opening up new avenues for lunar research. The rover's exploration of the lunar South Pole in particular yielded fascinating insights. It discovered traces of water ice, a finding that could revolutionize our approach to long-term lunar habitation and interplanetary travel. This discovery, coupled with the identification of various lunar minerals, has redefined our perspective of the moon as a potential resource hub. But the legacy of Chandrayaan-3 extends beyond the realm of scientific discovery. It has raised the bar for technological innovation, showcasing advanced robotics, precise landing technology, and efficient communication systems. The mission's success has propelled India into an elite group of spacefaring nations, inspiring a new generation of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. Moreover, Chandrayaan-3's journey has ignited a renewed interest in space exploration globally. It has underscored the importance of international collaboration in space research, fostering a sense of shared curiosity and common purpose among nations. Chandrayaan, the 3rd of May, have concluded its mission, but its contribution to space exploration will continue to inspire and guide future endeavors. The legacy of Chandrayaan-3, therefore, is not just about what it discovered or achieved, but also about the dreams it kindled, the boundaries it pushed, and the future it has paved for humanity's cosmic journey.